Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Prateechi Chaturvedi. I teach in Jagran Public School, Varanasi. Welcome students in our geography class. Here in this video we are going to study about soil conservation. But before the soil conservation, we need to know about the soil. Okay students, do you know what is soil? Yes, right. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth. After that, we also need to know about soil erosion. Soil erosion is the natural process in which the topsoil of field is carried away by physical sources such as wind and water. Topsoil is the top layer of soil and is the most fertile because it contains the most organic, nutrient-rich material. Let's know about the causes of soil erosion. First, human factors. Human factors are deforestation, overgrazing, construction, mining, and defective farming methods. Second is natural factors. Natural factors are wind, glaciers, and water. When the soil is protected from the erosion called soil conservation. So students, what steps should be taken to protect the soil from erosion? Yes, right, afforestation. Afforestation is the process of introducing trees and tree seedlings to an area that has previously not been forested. Let's move to some more methods of soil conservation: contour plowing, terrace farming, mulching, windbreaks, intercropping, crop rotation, and drip irrigation. First, we discuss about contour plowing. Contour plowing is the farming practice of planting across a slope following its elevation contour lines. These contour lines create a water break which reduces the formation of rills and gullies during times of heavy water runoff, which is a major cause of soil erosion. Our next method is terrace farming. Terrace farming is a method of growing crops on sides of hills or mountains by planting or graduated terraces built into the slope. Terraces reduce both the amount and velocity of water moving across the soil surface, which greatly reduces soil erosion. Let's move to our next method. Our next method is mulching. Mulching is a soil conserving and weed management practice through soil solarization, also in which any suitable material is used to spread over the ground between rows of crops or around the tree trunks. This practice helps to retain soil moisture, prevents weed growth, and enhances soil structure. Our next method is windbreaks. The shelter belts are formed where trees are planted between crop rows or around the crops to break the speed of winds and also to prevent soil erosion. Our next method of soil conservation is intercropping. It is the method of growing 2 or more crops on the same land in the same growing season. Generally, one is fast growing crops while the other takes longer to mature. Our next method is crop rotation. It is the growing of 2 or more different crops in a regular sequence on the same land, one after the other. This controls insects and diseases and also helps to conserve soil nutrients. Now, our next and last method of soil conservation is drip irrigation. There is network of narrow pipes with small holes in the fields. When water flows through the narrow pipes, it falls drop by drop at the position of roots of the plants. At last, we also need to know what is the importance of soil conservation. Soil conservation is important because it saves the soil through harsh weather and stops erosion. While soil is conservating, it's getting more nutrients. The more we conserve soil, the more crops grow. We believe in conservation not only because it protects native plants, birds and animals, but also because it protects us. After all, you simply can't be healthy in an unhealthy environment. By acting now to protect nature and prevent extinction, we can secure a better future for all. Thank you everyone for watching this video.